Welcome to Bites of Blessings, where we teach you to build your website one bite at a time. Today's lesson is about add-on domains. An add-on domain is when you have a second, third, or more domain names that you want to either build a website with or have it redirect to your current website. And in order to be able to use that, we need to put it into our control panel. So today we're going to log into the control panel or Cpanel. That information should have been provided to you in an email by your hosting service. We're going to add on under the heading of domains, add-on domains. From there, we're going to write in the name of the domain that we are adding on, the .com, the .net, whatever that is, but not the HTTP or the www. We also have the option here of adding in an FTP. That is a file transfer protocol. That's when you want to upload a whole bunch of files onto your website. If this is something you want to use, you would have to add a username, much like an email address, and it would come out as that username at yourdomainname.com.net, whatever the extension is. Then you would add a password. You would also need to get a FTP program to help you upload all the files into your Cpanel. And we'll show you how to do that in a different lesson. If you're doing WordPress, this is usually not necessary. And then all you have to do is select Add Domain, and it's ready to be used, whether it's for another website or maybe a domain name-based email account. And that's it for today's episode. Hope you enjoyed it and you learned something from it. Until next time, bye bites.